Yeah, this week USOIL Technical Analysis. Yeah, this week actually last week what happened actually because of the war situation it will completely fall from here, not given any correction, it not went. But this week I can remove this one. So already the US Iran maybe deal is okay. I think maybe positive. Maybe if that is positive then it will fall more actually. US oil it will give some correction, it will go there and it will fall from there. Yeah, once you reach something somewhere here, if I take from Fibonacci from here to here, maybe around this one, this zone, look for the sale setup. Look for the sale setup. It will give a small correction. You can initially go buy setup, but be careful. Once you reach around this zone, this area, then look for the from here to here. Look for the sale setup. Okay, and thank you.